Hello everyone, my name is Laith Ajjan. I am a Senior Developer and Integrations Lead at Optimize.is. We're a two-time Airtable Partner of the Year where we help teams build smarter, more efficient systems. If you'd like our help, there's a link down below in the description to book a call with us. In this video, what I'll be showing you is how to bring back executed signed contracts from DocuSign to Airtable using Zapier. So in our last video, I showed you how to send contracts to DocuSign from Airtable using Zapier. So we'll just basically building off of that and showing how to bring back the executed contract. So I've signed this contract, and now the next step is bringing this contract back to Airtable. So I've created a field called executed contract, just an attachment field. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up the Zap that brings back my executed contract. So the trigger in this case is going to be DocuSign, and we're going to use the envelope completed trigger. The envelope completed trigger, so with that, Zapier sets up webhooks with DocuSign to receive real-time notifications when envelopes are completed. So I'm going to log in here, connect my account, and then I'm going to click on continue, include the documents. There's a lot of different things that you can do here. You can include the recipients, custom fields, and so on, but I'm just going to include the documents over here. And then I'm going to test the trigger, and then I should see a trigger with the same envelope ID here that we have. So when this shows, I can see here there's one envelope here. So now I can click continue and go to Airtable. So now we have the trigger set up. The next step is how do I find the Airtable record, the right Airtable record to bring back the executed contract. So what we'll do is we're going to base it off the envelope ID here. So I'm going to have a step to find the record. And then I'm going to select my base table, and then my search field is going to be the envelope ID since we have that in the envelope completed step. So the search value will simply reference the envelope ID. So again, we can limit it to a specific view. So let's limit it to the contracts in DocuSign here. And then click on test step. So as you can see, it found a record. So now we just need to update this record with the executed contract. So I'm going to do add a step where we're basically just updating the record. And then I'm going to enter a custom value, with the custom value being the record that we found in our previous step here. And then the last step is just having updating the executed contract step. So what we need to update it with, typically speaking, it's a temporary link, just an S3 link. And then this is what we'll use to send back the executed contract. So now we have this set up, we just click continue, and then we hit test step. So our record was sent to Airtable. So as you can see, it brought back our executed contract to us here. So there's a few different things that you can have set up with this, so you can bring back the exact time at which it was executed, and then you can also, along with just updating this with the executed contract PDF attachment itself, you can also set the status to like executed as well in the same exact step. So yeah, if you'd like our help with setting up this integration for you and more, again, there's a link down below in the description to book a call with us.